higher heat pump water heater, high quality enamel tank, water or electricity circuit separation. Refrigerant is used to heat up water through the heat exchanger, which avoids direct contact between the heating element and water, provides a safer bathing. Patented volute structure and DC fan. Noise to a library level of 48.7 dB. Auto check can heat the water one time by 65 Celsius every 7 days to sterilize Legionella. When on vacation, it will be automatically sterilized the day before the end of the holiday. 1200 watt standby power to meet the emergency data you need. Meet various water usage needs.